everything has to be activated by here, but it has to pull on the elbow, the hand, the head, this foot, and this foot. Otherwise, we're here. So now, watch. This is direct. Now, we did this already earlier. Now change this into this way. Now express it. This here, one at a time. This rotation has to push into there. This rotation has to push into here. This rotation has to push into here. So now try to do one move that pushes down, out, and up. Normally, this one takes 60 years. Let's see how fast you can get it. Try it. You see that, Ray? Mm-hmm. Now come. Put your finger on top of my finger, just one finger.
One finger on top.
On top. It's a reference point.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a reference point. And don't do anything, okay? Move with me. Can you see? Now you look at Mike's arm. I did not do anything at all. So when we did the wrong move, the instruction, I won't say who, the instruction to me, it says, be decent, don't grope. It looks like this. But now, I start here, and his strength will make me do this. Now I put all my strength there. Can you feel the downward move? Okay. Now put it here. Go behind me, 2. So watch. See that now? Mm-hmm. Now I imagine there's something here. It only does this here. It only does this here. Watch. Here. Mm-hmm. So you have to rivet the other end. And the guillotine, the paper cutter, there's a rivet. Allows movements, but no displacement of space. It does not do this. So the real training is, imagine here, it does not do this anymore. It rivets here. And the reason you cannot do that is not your fault. Your eyes. When I do this here, you see the hand going up. Mm-hmm. And so your body already imitating that. And then you cannot change it.
Here?
Yeah. Whenever I use power, he must power up, otherwise he's losing. When he powers up, can you see power leaks out? Where? My finger. Now look at my finger. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. That's the rivet. Everything is here. That move, which move did I show you this weekend that relates to that?
Negative circle.
No, move. There is an action, I give it a name. Could be this morning, could be yesterday morning. Jia. It's actually this way. You're all doing it. So this here, you just see it. We're all moving. But can you see through that training, you lose all your power. Redevelop the power from here. So now, touch here. Go behind and touch here. So the move has to be this power. No? Ready?
Yeah.
It's very, very difficult. But I actually only place my body there. My power is here. When you switch to this power, you got 0. Redevelop it. Once you have it, it's a weird power. It's different, right?
Right.
You don't know how to fight it.
Right.
We are so used to doing the normal power. But you see that? I pretend to be here, but I'm actually squeezing here. Can you see that squeeze there? can feel. Yeah. Normal, right? You feel that?
Yeah.
Make a fist. Here. You feel that?
Wow. That's the grind.
Yeah. So grind. Grab here.
Here's the other
Yeah,
hand. This one's
sure.
already broken.
Pinch it. Yeah, you feel the muscle?
Yeah.
Not like this.
Right.
You feel that.
Yeah.
Richard, come feel. Use your right hand. Grab this here. Yeah, squeeze me. Yeah, stronger. Stronger. Now you feel that? You feel that power?
Yeah, I felt this.
So loose, power is all here. Watch. It's not this way. It's here.